Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Investors with shares in Canadian-based Equity Line Mortgage Investments Corporation are invited to reach out to their broker to determine the next steps. The Jamaica Stock Exchange has delisted Equity Line Mortgage Investments Corporation. JSE said the decision was taken in accordance with JSE Rule 411, which governs delisting of companies. It said Equity Line Mortgage Investments Corporation had been delisted from the stock exchange as of close of business on Monday, October 7. The delisting was due to the company's failure to comply with market rules on audited financial statements, annual report, and quarterly financial statements, among other breaches. Jamaicans affected by Hurricane Beryl now have more time to apply for financial assistance through the National Housing Trust. The agency has advised that the application deadline for both the Disaster Relief Grant and the Special Home Improvement Loan has been extended to November 30. Approximately $300 million has been set aside for the grant relief, and eligible households can access up to $300,000 through this initiative. As the leadership of Proven Group transitions from co-founder Christopher Williams to co-founder Johan Heaven, we sit down with Heaven to understand new trends in the financial sector. Specifically, given the rapid pace of AI in the financial sector in the US, what one trend is Heaven seeing in Jamaica? And we are joined by Johan Heaven, soon to be CEO of Proven Investments. Welcome.
Thank you,
Proven
Denise.
Group, the group, right?
Right.
Absolutely. Okay. So you guys are well known for being in the manufacturing industry, banking and wealth management, real estate, and you're an international company. So you may have a little familiarity with the pace of AI in the financial sector. Mm-hmm. But for here in Jamaica, what one trend are you predicting for AI in the financial sector?
Well, as you said, AI is the future, and we're seeing many trends right across, many sectors. The main, trend that I would say that in the financial sector is from a customer service standpoint.
So it's all bots?
So all bots, handling your general customer service issues, and then moving to the next level, actually giving advice to our clients and to the to our investors out there.
But what about jobs? So, should persons in the financial sector be worried that they're going to be replaced by AI?
Yeah, no. AI will augment and will support the persons that are there, but they, I don't see them being replaced.
Okay.
Persons still want that personal touch.
Yes.
They still want the advisor. They want somebody they can call on. So I still see, that personal side as an important part of the financial services sector, but it will now be supported by higher intelligence in terms of being able to give advice on your portfolio and where, the future and, various options that are available within the investment life.
So you think, so are you comfortable in saying in the next 5 years when I call Proven, I'll still get a human?
I'm most definitely.
Yes, okay.
You may get a bot first.
Okay.
But eventually you'll get a human.
I'll still get a human. All right. Thank you very much. That was Johan Heaven, soon to be in February of 2025, CEO of Proven Group. During trading for the period October 14, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway with 5,978,649 units represented 37.5% of the market volume in terms of sales. Investment House QWI Investments Limited with 1,840,263 units represented 11.40% of the market volume in terms of sales. Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 1,285,605 units represent 7.97% of the market volume in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On October 14, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $34.28 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $34.77 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $159.48 and bought the US dollar for $156.83. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $2.65, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $2.51 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $113.79 and bought for $111.28. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $4.71, selling it for $207.39 and buying it for $202.68. For our credit report tip of the day, we know that debt can feel overwhelming, especially for creatives, entrepreneurs, and the self-employed. The stress of fluctuating income, rising inflation, and the ever-increasing cost of living can make it seem impossible to make progress. To add to the challenge, interest rates and payments are higher than ever, while sales in many industries are down. So here are 2 strategies to help you escape the debt trap and reclaim your financial peace. First, we ask you to consider snowball or avalanche your debt. Choose a debt repayment method. The snowball method says pay off all your small balances first, while the avalanche method says tackle high interest rate debts first. Both methods keep you motivated with quick wins or interest savings. Next, you can negotiate lower interest rates. Contact your creditors to see if they can reduce your interest rate. A lower interest rate means more of your payment goes towards the principal. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.